The Keychron K2 Pro Keyboard offers a compact 75% layout, retaining essential shortcut and arrow keys for a seamless typing experience. With the capability to connect to 3 devices via Bluetooth and switch effortlessly, this keyboard is perfect for multitasking across your smartphone, laptop, and tablet. Designed with a unique Mac layout, it includes all necessary function keys for Mac users while also being compatible with Windows, providing versatility for different operating systems. The impressive battery life allows up to 72 hours of continuous typing or up to 7 days of regular use, thanks to its 4,000 milliampere hour capacity. Featuring the Keychron K Pro mechanical brown switches, this keyboard delivers exceptional tactile feedback and a lifespan of up to 50 million keystrokes. The elegant white LED backlighting enhances visibility in low-light environments and offers a static mode for those who prefer a consistent lighting experience.